What's up, y'all? I'm about to take me a day trip to Florida because I want to go get on the beach. Yes, honey, rejuvenate for 24 hours. So I'm waiting on my sister to come and get me, to take me to the airport.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right, Delta Terminal.
The airport is packed as, you know what, and I don't have nowhere to sit. I think I have like an hour before my flight, and I gotta stand up. Like, it's literally nowhere to sit. We have boarded. I think it's like 20 more minutes before we take off. So I'm going to check into my room, and then I'm going to the beach. I'm excited. I am so excited to get away from my everyday life. I am here in Fort Lauderdale waiting on my ride to come and take me to my Airbnb. I kind of messed up on the app. I hope the lady who's going to get me take me to my location because I already paid, and you know how Lyft is. I requested it to pick me up at Station 8 and drop me off at Station 8, and it charged me $2.99. So no, I hope she takes me. Okay, I want to show y'all my Airbnb space where I be for tonight. Really cute. Got a microwave set here, a little kitchenette. Won't be doing any cooking. Let me turn the light on. Okay, yeah, that's better. So you can see the little space. I need to hurry up because I want to go to the beach. And this is the little restroom. This is cute for a one-night stay. And here I am. Okay, so that is the tour of the restroom. It's beautiful here, and I really want to go relax on the beach, but I'm really hungry, and it don't look like no restaurants near. I don't like it. I'm hungry. I mean, starving. I got here later than I thought I would, but we just gonna go with the flow. I wanted to get away for a day, be in a new state, new environment, so it is what it is. I got my jacket on right here because it's a little windy. Also, people out there playing volleyball. That's what I'm talking about. I like nobody. I think I'm gonna go sit over there near them when I find me some food first. So yeah, I just wanted to get away, y'all, and relax. Like, I needed to relax. I needed to woosah. Oh, it's like a restaurant up here. I don't care what it is, baby. I'm hungry. I need something, very much something. Okay, so these nice women led me to the directions. Food, honey, food. And it's getting hot now. I had a male driver, so I ain't want him to see all this. So I'm gonna go get me some food, and then I'm going to the beach. came to the little restaurant on the beach. It's a vibe. My solo day. I look cute, don't I? I do. Make sure these little boobs don't come out. The girls that work here, they look like me. They got that little top on like me. So I had to get me a margarita first. I hope it's good. Everything's so hot up here. I'm gonna set this food up, y'all. On the Tuesday, baby. Don't play. Do not play. Got my drink. Sweet and good. I can't wait to dive in on this food. I got a burger. I ain't had a burger in a minute. I met this, I ain't gonna say met, but I did. This guy, he was working at the airport. And he convinced me to get the little clear thing where you just, go past whatever. I want to cancel that subscription as soon as it's time. But anyway, when he asked me where I was going and how long, I'm like, I'm going to Florida for a turnaround trip. And he was like, so you finna go there, go to the beach and come back? I'm like, yeah. So he basically asked me what gave me the confidence to do myself, or what was the reason. I just wanted to come for myself, but I told him once you find peace, you don't mind doing things by yourself, because other people, irritate your energy, and I'm still healing from things. We all have traumas, and we need to learn how to take time and just heal. And he's 22. Of course, he thought I was like 25. Like, baby. He's a man. I know you in your 30s. And is. But this is what peace look like. Ain't gonna be looking out old early. So yeah, he was like Florida was on his bucket list. And asked me all different places. Well, what was my favorite? My favorite so far has been Jamaica. But it was quick. Jamaica is quick from Atlanta too, but this just was a quick flight somewhere I could just, I spend the money all the time at home. Why not go and create a memory, an experience? I ain't have time to be. I ain't wanna ask nobody anyway. Even if I did, I just wanted to do this for me. Just go. You just gotta go. Can't be waiting on nobody. My food came. So this is what it is.
Everything okay?
Yes. So let's see what it's like. Fries. They ain't returning. I really got hungry. I wish I got some animal food. I might need to ask for some animal food. This is not gonna hurt. I can't even remember the last time I had a hamburger for real. And I think about it. I've been trying to be good on my fitness journey. But anybody ever thinking about traveling somewhere by themselves, it's good. It's good. Oh, they got these good pickles too. Just about my burger. got lettuce, tomato, pickle. Cheese. I don't even want to get the smacking, so I'm gonna just go on, okay? So y'all know I smack. You can walk with your drink on the beach. Mine almost gone and water down. Gotta find your spot and lay down, baby. Peaceful. That's my favorite word. Peaceful. Ain't it for real? I need me a little sun though. Let me hear me drink this water down here. Oh look, so my beach towel can I can't even get it out. Couldn't fit in my little spinning night bag. So I had to buy a regular towel. And I'm mad because my beach towel was big. And I could have stretched that, but whatever. We gotta use this regular towel, baby. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It feels so good and relaxing. The sun is this way. But it's gonna turn this way. Ooh, these braids. The wind. Ooh, y'all see my... Okay, let me show y'all my swimsuits, baby. Yeah, see? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So pretty. Oh, this hair been getting stuck in my nose. Well, everything that got a hook on it, it been getting stuck on it. Like my earrings up here. But everybody been complimenting. Let me down like that. Complimenting me on my hair. Cause it's so cute. So this is gonna be me for the next couple of hours. This is what I wanted to do. Look, don't judge my towel. It's a towel. It's okay. A towel is a towel. Y'all, beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Like so I'm just gonna relax here for a while. Yeah, mission accomplished. Atlanta to, let me pronounce that word. I flew into Fort Lauderdale, but I came to, it's gonna be in the clip before it is Panamona Beach, maybe. I think that's what it is. Panamona. Look at that body, y'all. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man, for real. Like, I need to get my subscribers up. I need to get my views up. I do want to post more content, but y'all need to be watching, okay? Because I am a loner, but I'm a fucks with y'all. You got to come over here to see what's going on. That's the only way. Because your girl be out the way by herself. So, yeah, come on out. Comment. Tell me what y'all want me to do. Talk about, you know. How do I, you know, the end of life. Iguana, baby. Oh, they don't? Oh. Oh, okay. So they walk around the beach. I learned something new today. Oh, she ain't scared, baby. I am. Look Oh Lord, I see a dog. I hope the owner got it. Oh yeah, they got it. Ain't nothing like dogs. Oh yeah, they fishing, they diving. So beautiful, so beautiful. It's pretty cool. So cool. There's birds everywhere, honey. I never feel like caught him one. It hit the man on the bed. That thing jumping around. Okay, I'm about to enjoy the scenery. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Yeah. No, thank you. I've been walking down the street for a long time trying to find a store. This stalking ass boy keep trying to motherfucker talk to me. Ride your ass on down this street. I am so hungry. I was on the store before I go in the house. Not one store in sight. And I'm trying to find somewhere before it get done, baby. Cause I don't even know how to pronounce where I'm at. So let me find something to eat. And I'm going back to my Airbnb and relax for the night. I want to watch, what is it? Power. Yeah, and they got all the little apps on their TV. I checked before I left. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I find my store. Or I'm just gonna call me a goddamn Lyft at this point. Cause I really feel like these people around down the street know that I ain't from here. Oh, look at the boats. Oh shit. I'm scared of this. Look at this, y'all. It's one of them things. Let me hear my ass up, baby. I'm talking about one of them things. I don't care. You hear that clicker? Okay, heck nah, baby. You're so cute, though. I was scared. I ain't gonna even cap you down. My dumb boys just been walking. They had that blowing. I think people know I ain't from here, son. But when I say I ain't seen not one gas station nowhere. Like, damn. And I know I don't walk about 5 miles. More than 5. I've been walking like 30 minutes. I got my workout today, baby. Sure did. But it's like I'm coming up on some stores in a minute. Because I gotta get me some food before I go in this house, baby. Shoot, and it's on where I can cook. But I'm trying to find something I can put in the microwave. Definitely is. These motherfuckers just licking. Let me hurry up. Don't slow down, baby. I'm not getting no call with nobody with my lips. Let me save my battery too, because it's going dead. Good morning. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm headed to the airport. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I have an early flight back to Atlanta. I enjoyed my, well, it wasn't even a full day, but my little time on the beach. So please hit that notification button, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.